So do you guys remember my $1,000 mistake video? If not, I'll put that link up here. But I was talking about how these tool changers and these other printers are going to start coming rapid fast in 2026. And here we are, even my editing can't keep up. So today we're going to talk about another one, Sovol, who's about to enter the race. Let's get into it. Oh hey, if you're trying to pick up some filament, if you use code BeGlorious on SUNLU's website, I'll put it on the screen here, it'll save you 3% off. And if you use code BeGlorious on Polymaker's website and you're a new customer, it'll save you 15% off. Let's get back to it. So these tool changers, they're coming fast this year. Everyone's doubling down on them. The U1 made it super affordable and super fun. I'm enjoying ours. I've done things on it I couldn't do for any other printer. Creator 5 just dropped. And we haven't even got it in the studio yet. I got the tracking number, it's coming, but it's not here in the studio. And there's another one already being teased. If you missed the train on the Creator 5 and Creator 5 Pro, you can use code BeGlorious and save a little bit of money on that pre-order. These tool changers, they're flying right now. All these companies are seeing the potential with multicolor printing and multi-material, and they're jumping on the train. So let's check out Sovol and see what they got coming. So earlier this year, we saw Sovol release this image on their social media. And it could be a tool changer, it looks like it's going to be, with 6 tool heads. And then also on the side, it's got an AMS style hidden thing, which is kind of cool to see. Are they going to release an ecosystem on it? That would be awesome. They'd be the first one to that party. Or whether they can have an AMS unit for each head, that'd be epic. Now, there's this second image that I'll put up on the screen here that they just released a few days ago. And this is more of an entire overall look at the printer itself. It's going to be enclosed, which is awesome. I hope that it comes to fruition. So the first thing I want to talk about is those tool heads. There's 6 of them. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it looks like to be the docking mechanism on the side. No, this isn't an episode of Sesame Street. However, what I'm trying to get at here is we're going to have more capabilities than we currently have with the U1. If these come out and it works, just like the U1 does. It just works. 6 tool heads. What does it allow us to do? 4 colors with support material. And if we want to, that'll truly give us CMYK with support material, because we want that W in there with the CMYK. That's cool. I'm excited about that. But what else can 6 tool heads do? Well, 6 individual colors too. That further expands our workflow. I can do 6 colors instead of just 4. Some models, not all of our models that we print, have 4 colors. Some of them have 5 or 6, and I wish I could have 5 or 6. That would be nice. Now, if they drop an AMS style system with it too, look out, because then all the colors are on the table. Yes, we'll have a little bit of purge again too, but it's a balance game. But I'm enjoying what they're putting on the table. So now I want to talk about the overall printer design that we can see. It looks very promising, and it looks more premium. And I know this isn't a knock on Sovol, but it looks more premium than their other ones, like the SV08. It's a very tinkerish style system, in my opinion. That's not everybody's, but it's not fully enclosed. This unit is being presented as a fully enclosed unit for Core XY. That's exciting. And now I want to talk about the AMS unit that they have on the side. What does that mean? I don't know, but it looks awesome. Can we have more than one with the unit? That would be great. Can we have 6 spools on the side per tool head? That would be a first. The U1 doesn't do that. The Creator 5 doesn't do that. Is this innovation at its best? That would be awesome. I'm excited for it. And now, is Sovol going to create an ecosystem around this? Right now, that AMS system doesn't look like it's enclosed, so there's no printing while you're drying. So that's an upgrade that could be had. That would be great. But right now, with the way it's being presented, this all looks very promising. So I'm going to be paying attention for the rest of 2026 and into 2027 for when this releases, and I'll cover that here on the channel. All these tool changers, I'm really enjoying them. So this was a very brief overview of what Sovol has coming. I don't have any contacts with Sovol yet, but I'll reach out to them and see if they have anything that they would like to share. It's going to be fully enclosed. It's going to be 6 tool heads, and it's going to have some sort of AMS style system that's advertised on the side with these teaser images. That's very exciting to see. I'm excited for this entire tool changer space in 2026. Things are really getting pushed in this market. And if you want to stay up to date, hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe, as we're going to keep covering these as they come out. And until next time, be glorious.